Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're someone who's been struggling with dry, itchy scalp or damaged hair, I think you're going to appreciate today's review. It's no secret that hair care can sometimes feel like a puzzle. There's so much out there, but not all of it is right for you. Today, we're looking at a product that promises to repair and nourish your hair while promoting healthy growth. The Blaq Luxury Hair Growth Oil. This scalp treatment is specifically formulated with biotin to combat common hair woes like dryness, frizz, split ends, and hair damage. If you've been looking for a natural chemical-free treatment to help your hair look its best, this could be the answer you've been searching for. Blaq Luxury Hair Growth Oil combines 20 essential oils and nutrients to deeply hydrate, repair, and strengthen your hair from root to tip. The standout ingredient here is biotin, which is known for its role in promoting healthy hair growth and preventing hair loss. It's also infused with exotic oils that nourish the scalp, keep your hair follicles strong, and work to fight breakage and shedding. If you're someone who's looking for a product that supports hair health, this could definitely be worth checking out. Now let's talk about the experience of using this oil. It has a lightweight formula that doesn't leave your scalp feeling greasy or weighed down. A lot of oils leave that heavy residue, but this one absorbs quickly and provides a refreshing sensation to the scalp. If you're used to products that sit on the hair without fully absorbing, you'll appreciate how easily this oil blends into your strands without any sticky feel. I've tested this oil as part of my daily hair care routine, as well as an intensive hot oil treatment. The difference? When using it as a part of your daily regimen, it keeps your hair feeling soft, moisturized, and more manageable. As a hot oil treatment, it gives your hair an extra layer of repair, making it look shinier and healthier, especially if you struggle with split ends or hair that just won't grow. I've also noticed a reduction in frizz and dryness over time, which is a game changer. As for the scent, it's subtle, fresh, and not overpowering, which is always a plus when you're dealing with hair products that you need to use regularly. Now let's dive into the pros and cons of this product. On the positive side, I love how lightweight and non-greasy the formula is. It really does hydrate without leaving a residue, which is something I always look for in a hair oil. The biotin infusion is another win, as it really helps with hair growth and strengthening, especially for those of us who might be struggling with hair thinning or breakage. However, one downside might be the price point. While it's not outrageously expensive, it's definitely on the higher side for an oil treatment. But if you're looking for a product that's chemical-free, highly nourishing, and helps repair damage, it could be worth the investment. In terms of value for money, I'd say it's fair. You're getting a premium quality product with a blend of 20 essential oils and nutrients, plus the biotin infusion. When you compare it to similar oils in the market, many don't have the same nutrient density or focus on hair growth. If you have a particular need for biotin, or you're trying to target damaged hair, it's a strong contender. When it comes to build quality and longevity, the packaging is sturdy, and the oil itself is designed to last with consistent use. One bottle should last you quite a while, depending on how often you use it. If you're applying it daily, you might go through it a bit faster, but it's not the kind of product that you'll need to repurchase frequently. It also doesn't require much per use, so a little goes a long way. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. While I didn't have any direct experience with the brand's customer service, Blaq's reputation for quality products suggests they likely offer solid support if needed. Now, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, there are plenty of biotin-infused oils out there, but this one stands out in terms of quality and the variety of oils used. If you're willing to invest a bit more for a premium formula, this could be the product for you. But if the price feels too high for your budget, there are alternatives that might suit you just as well, though they may not have the same exact blend of ingredients. To wrap it up, Blaq Luxury Hair Growth Oil delivers on its promises of hydration, strength, and growth promotion. The lightweight formula and biotin infusion make it a fantastic choice for anyone dealing with dry, damaged hair or looking to boost hair growth. I definitely recommend it to those who want a high-quality product that works as a daily treatment or an intensive repair solution. Thank you for tuning in. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.